Want to know how to enable or disable SMS notifications in TaskRabbit? So if you have your notifications enabled, which should be on by default, and if you want to disable it or if you want to enable it, this video is for you. So make sure you are successfully linked to TaskRabbit's phone number and make sure you're verified for that as well. So on the top right side, you should be seeing account right here. So you can just simply select that. So in order to get here, you can just simply type in TaskRabbit.com and make sure you are logged in. So once you're there, here you should be seeing your account, and on the left side you should be seeing various options. So right below account security, you should be seeing notifications right here. So simply select it. Now since we want to disable or enable SMS notification, here you should be seeing task updates or promotional email notification. So you can just simply uncheck these, which take this right here, and then select save. And that's it. Super simple and easy. And your TaskRabbit should be automatically saved and you should be good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.